the inner sentient beings become dakas and dakinis. The entire universe becomes the Pure Land of Devachan in just an instant. So here in this text, the mandala from an outer perspective is explained. So it's the offering of an outer mandala. The outer mandala offering is the offering of the outer universe and the sentient beings. The inner mandala offering is to offer one's own body and everything that one owns, one possesses, all the things that one possesses. The secret mandala offering is to cultivate an altruistic mind. And when you cultivate an altruistic mind, there is no self-grasping. You have cultivated precious bodhicitta. That is the secret mandala. The mandala offering in general is the antidote to self-grasping. If the self-grasping of just a single person diminishes, limitless sentient beings will benefit from that. It is just like when one ice block becomes hot and melts, it will melt into the ocean and pervade the ocean. And in the same way, if one person cultivates bodhicitta, it will pervade all beings. It will benefit limitless sentient beings. So that is the mandala offering.
刚刚所讲的也包括那个谢曼达的文词，为我所持，不持诸实有。接下来继续念：我身受用所拥任有任所有，无习尽现极乐国善根。那么谢曼达他的功德，他的力量是不可思议的，它是可以去掉我们自己的执着，能够净化外在的气世间，转变成净土。 而且在气世间之内的所有有情都转成空行。那么这边所讲的现曼达，主要是讲的是外在的曼达，也指的就是外在的气世间以及气世间里面的有情众生等等。除了外向的曼达之外，还有内在的曼达，还有秘密的曼达。 内在的曼达指的是什么呢？就是自己的身体以及自己所拥有的财物，你可以现这个内在的曼达。至于秘密的曼达，主要指的就是利他之心。一个人有利他之心的话，他自然就没有执着，这个是秘密曼达的意义。那么我们也知道，一个人去有执着，那个能够现有利他之心的话，这就是对治我执最好的一个方法。即使只有一个人能够真正去掉我执的话，那么无边的众生都可以得到许许多多的利益。就好像冰块如果有一天融化了，成为水流入大海，跟水跟海就无二无别，利益许多的众生。同样的，一个人发起菩提心，去掉我执之后，能够利益无边的众生。
이 나 가장 세이나 되퍼 세이나 된디 강이나 다다고서 kunzo chu tamchi daji ni dedo ni tera yo ba tera pene de ni so ni mo pa tok ni bo la pa sin tok da jane ni ko do ina de ba provare de ta teng ina de ba nang ge ni bu ina de ba le so ina de ba te to pro ta to kan je ba ge ina de je ba ina de ni kaina 라셈 사지에 똑배 동사 사 랑그 생고 내롱데 또나 오 랑그 오 사지에 문제래 사지 추적권 나가는 거지 소소소리 지지요 그래 내가 드니까나 사자 좀 보셔야 돼요 오라 사자 좀 보라 라그 셈도 사자 좀 이와 하고는 들이대라 라그 셈을 라그 대바지고 꽤 동태래 나지 사지 똑바 그차차 어느 동집이 다시 주반버 강이나 또다 주반버 그 지진데 마서나 서도 용하라 나지 인생 그거는 서도 용하라 착받은 차 들이 신 되게 생들이 고와라 동거 요래 따와라는 내 손나 용가 되라서 보통지 통제는 되라 롱견에 안 잡아매봐 요거 요래 이 주과사적인 초래지 근데 강시 그 따와라는 냠야 뜻 냠야 찍어 뜬 데나 들이 얘가 나비는 또 그요래 빼라 냠야 뜻 남자 이시게 땡땡이 못 있는 데니 대성 그요래지
So yesterday we talked about the seven limb prayer, the outer seven limb prayer, and so from an external perspective or conventional perspective, there is always a duality. There's many different phenomena that appear. There is the duality of self and others. There is pleasure and pain and afflictive emotions, and in that context the six afflictive emotions are remedied, or the antidote to them is the six paramitas, or the outer seven limb prayer or seven limb offering. So today on page 39 there is the essence, the seven branches of the essence, or the inner seven branch prayer. That is the ultimate, the resulting seven branch prayer that is offered. And so first it says, realizing my own mind is Buddha, I pay homage on the ultimate level. When you realize the nature of your own mind, you will see the actual Buddha. You will realize that this itself is the Dharmakaya, and you will cultivate trust into yourself. When we receive Mahamudra explanations, we are shown that your own mind is Mahamudra. And when you realize that your own mind is Mahamudra, you will cultivate faith into your own mind. And then it says, abiding within empty awareness, devoid of grasping, everything that appears and exists is offered. The reason why we make offerings is in order to sever our fixation to the five sense pleasures that arise from the dualistic grasping to self and others. And as we cling to these five sense pleasures, we become habituated to them, addicted to them, and that keeps us in continuous bondage and continuously plunges us into samsara. On the other hand, if you abide within the natural state of your mind continuously, and you encounter the five sense pleasures, even if you partake of them, there is no grasping. And therefore, when there is no grasping, it becomes an offering. So when you abide within the single-pointed meditative equipoise of abiding within your natural state, actually the seven branches are naturally offered. They are naturally included within simply abiding within the samadhi of meditative equipoise.
昨天我们讲到七支供养，那在昨天的那个层次主要讲的是外在的七支供养，也就是从世俗谛来讲还是有二元对立的，比如说有自他的对立啊，或者是苦乐的对立等等。那因为有这种对立，就有种种的烦恼，有六种烦恼，有了六种烦恼，我们就用六波罗蜜来做对治。那接下来要讲的是内在的七支供养，那个内在的七支供养是从果来讲的，果的层面来讲，主要就是说能够了悟自己的心的本性。一个人能够真正了悟心的本性的时候，他自然能够见佛。 那么在大手印里面，我们提到自心就是大手印。那个要了解到这一点的话，对自己的自心就有无比的信心。一般的凡夫执着于五欲之乐，而且不但是执着，而且就是好像addiction 沉溺上瘾了，然后没想到这种当你上瘾了之后，你产生了另外一层的束缚，那把你就再度跳入的那个轮回之中。所以我们要对治的方法就是我们应该要安住在自己心的本性之中，那么对于五欲的没有什么执着。那事实上在你在这种状态之下，你不执着五欲的欲乐的时候，你反而可以享受这些五欲，因为你不受它所缠缚。我们要注意的是，我们在平常在禅修正定的时候，其实在那种修正定的禅修状态之下，你自然而然的就是做了七支供养了。
你动机面的啦，瓜地我查了呀，我阿里动机呢，他想你我罗的，多半年的做的多半年送给我嘞，这同可能来少我嘞，他看上你里的，这大呢呀，这看上我车嘛嘞，没嘞，这大些大呀，你女的做的没嘞，这那做嘛的跑着的，他让就多嘞。다 메디셈이 메디셈도 하고 그 소주처리 따라 그 정도 보면 더 셈 때나 메디셈 하고 소주셈을 쳤다고 그러면도 디셈 통하여 봐라. 코당 많이 하면 라오에 셈이 적대나 또 셈이 내려 그냥 통또 나파다로 차를 호요리 니스메 비시 되나 셈이 내려는 요미 타이자당 잡아 딱히 딱 이랑 잡아 이제 그 생각 되다 버린 거 생각 되다 버린 네 적니에 맞아 뭐 이장자 말랑나게 내다 빠차가 이 접대 받으라 통도도 좀 맞다거든 동네 말 맞다 하고 고아도 차인 거래 그 고아 차어 그 정통들은 문이 댐바리서 될때 차당 똑바데 내가 떠나야 빠차가 오게 제거지 얘는 걔는 내가 오거든 싫고 오요래 별로 쫓아오는 자동으로나 시랍게 땡 고아도 쫓아오려도 차오나 남산 자동도 차오나 대쇼탁고 요래 디 고아 통나 되지 르동지 나 동지는 르동지는 참아 지과 동지와 차대래 나동 거도지는 미 참바 통는 뭐지 문에 대발이 좀 로데 내가 제 고아 차탁고 요래
So here it says the empty awareness, and so here we can get a deeper understanding. The empty awareness, emptiness, is also explained in the Heart Sutra, when it says there is no form apart from emptiness, no emptiness apart from form. And if you understand it this way, we can gain an understanding rather easily. For example, if you think of two people and you look at them and you think that is that person, that's the real person. But then when you look more close, then you try to find what you call the person. So you're pointing at that body, but the body is not the person. Because in the end, the body will disperse, it will turn into ashes. So then you may think, then the person is the mind. And in order to understand that, you must look inside your own mind. So when you look inside your own mind, you will not see the person there either. And understanding that, you begin to understand that the person and I are probably about the same. And then when you look closer inside your own mind, it becomes just like space. There is no duality within that space. And that is the non-dual primordial awareness. That awareness can neither said to be existing nor